Cyrus the Great, founder of a mighty empire. This is the story of a ruler who not only built a vast empire, but also set an example of justice, tolerance, and wisdom. His name is Cyrus the Great, the founder of the Persian Empire and one of the greatest conquerors in history. Cyrus the Great was born around 600 BCE in Persia, modern-day Iran. He belonged to the royal family of the Achaemenid Empire. From an early age, he showed remarkable leadership and strategic abilities. Cyrus first defeated the king of Media and laid the foundation of his empire. After this victory, he rapidly expanded his power and brought many regions under his control. Conquered Lydia, one of the wealthiest and most powerful kingdoms of the time. Captured Babylon, one of the oldest and most significant cities in the ancient world. Established control over vast regions of the Middle East. Under his leadership, the empire became one of the largest in the world at that time. Cyrus the Great was not only a conqueror, but also a just ruler. He promoted religious freedom and respected local cultures. The Cyrus Cylinder is often regarded as the first charter of human rights, reflecting his principles of justice and tolerance. Cyrus the Great died around 530 BCE, likely during a military campaign. His tomb is located in Pasargadae. Even after his death, his empire continued to grow, and he is still remembered as a great leader and ruler. Cyrus the Great not only conquered lands, but also won the hearts of people. His leadership, justice, and wisdom remain an example for the world. This story teaches us that true greatness lies not only in power, but in justice and humanity.